Probability in Data Analysis for GRE. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of probability as it appears in the data analysis section of the GRE's quantitative reasoning. By the end of this video, you should have a clearer understanding of the fundamentals of probability and its relevance to the GRE exam. Probability measures the likelihood of an event occurring. It is a value between 0 and 1, inclusive. An event with a probability of 0 is impossible, and an event with a probability of 1 is certain. For instance, if we toss a fair coin, the probability of getting heads, or tails, is 0.5 or 50%. It's essential to understand that probability doesn't predict a single outcome but gives us an idea about the likelihood of that outcome. The basic formula for probability is P(A) equals number of favorable outcomes total number of possible outcomes P(A) equals frac text number of favorable outcomes text total number of possible outcomes P(A) equals total number of possible outcomes number of favorable outcomes. For example, in a standard deck of 52 playing cards, the probability of drawing an ace is P(ace) equals 4. Since there are 4 aces, 52 equals 113 P(ace) equals frac 4 text. Since there are 4 aces, 52 equals frac 1 13 P(ace) equals 524. Since there are 4 aces, equals 131. 1. Mutually exclusive events. These are events that cannot happen at the same time. For example, when you toss a coin, you can't get both a head and a tail. 2. Independent events. The outcome of one event doesn't affect the outcome of another. If you roll a dice and flip a coin, the result of the dice roll doesn't affect the coin flip's outcome. 3. Complementary events. This is the probability that event A doesn't occur, denoted as P, A, P, A, P, A. For instance, if the probability of raining tomorrow is 0.3, the probability of it not raining is P, not raining, equals 1 minus 0.3 equals 0.7 P, not raining, equals 1 minus 0.3 equals 0.7 P, not raining, equals 1 minus 0.3 equals 0.7. To master probability questions on the GRE. 1. Identify what you're trying to find. 2. Break down complex problems into simpler events. 3. Use the formulas and principles mentioned above. 4. Always check if the probability value lies between 0 and 1. For instance, if a GRE question asks about the probability of not picking a red ball from a bag with 3 red and 5 blue balls, P, not red, equals 1 minus 38 equals 58 P, not red, equals 1, frac 3, 8, equals frac 5, 8, P, not red, equals 1 minus 83 equals 85. And that wraps up our lesson on probability for the GRE. We hope this video clarified the basic concepts for you. Remember, practice is key. So grab some GRE quantitative practice questions on probability and get to solving. Best of luck, and see you in the next video.